Want to know how a faceless YouTube channel stole 3.5 million views with just a phone and 2 hours of work? This gaming channel hit 1.1 million subscribers by posting simple top 10 lists like best free Android games, top 10 best offline games, and iOS games that'll make you forget TikTok. And guess what? They did it using only AI voices, free CapCut edits, and screen recordings. No fancy equipment, no face on camera, just pure, easy content creation. Millions of views are pouring in from these videos, and it's all because gamers love lists. But here's the catch. 99% of creators fail because they miss one critical word in their titles. I'll reveal it later, so stick around till the end. In today's video, I will teach you how you can create your own unique channel by copying this channel on Game Niche. Start by stealing trending games from app stores. Every day, new games drop on the Play Store and App Store, giving you endless content ideas. It's that simple. Once your channel grows to 10,000 subscribers, the real money starts rolling in. Sponsors will pay you $1,000 plus per deal, and you'll earn from YouTube ads too. Imagine getting paid just for talking about games you already love. The best part? This niche has zero competition compared to others. While everyone's fighting over vlogging or tech reviews, you can dominate gaming with minimal effort. Want to start a gaming-related YouTube channel? Let's do it step by step. First, I've prepared some prompts, and you'll find the link in the description. Make sure to check it out. Copy the prompt, go to ChatGPT that says, "Do you know the down to top YouTube channel?" and paste it. Then you'll get the channel details. Now our main work begins. We need to get the channel name ideas first. This step is crucial because many people choose a name, but their channel does not appear in search results, causing them to fail in YouTube automation. And I'll guide you through it. First, we need a unique channel name. If you don't have one, I'll show you how to generate ideas using ChatGPT. Just ask, "Give me a YouTube channel name for the top 10 gaming niche," and it will generate multiple suggestions. If you don't like them, simply regenerate until you find the perfect name. Once you've chosen a name, check its availability. Go to YouTube, paste the name in the search bar, and apply the filter option in the top right corner. If no existing channel has the same name, you can claim it. If it's taken, try another name from your list until you find one that's available. This step ensures your channel name is unique, searchable, and ready to grow. Now let's move on to the next step in setting up your successful gaming faceless channel. And I really like the name. There is no YouTube channel with this name, so I can create it. If you already have an old channel, you can use that too. Now to set it up, go to the top right corner of YouTube and open YouTube Studio. This is the main interface where you control everything. Scroll down until you find the customization option and click on it. Here, I will change my channel name. After updating the name, we will move on to setting the handle name. It's important to choose a unique handle because it helps in branding. Once that's done, we will finalize the channel setup and move to the next steps. Next, we will work on the channel description. For this, you can use ChatGPT to generate a unique description for your channel. Just ask ChatGPT, "Give me a YouTube channel description for a gaming channel," and it will give you a suitable description. I've included all the prompts in the Google Docs, so make sure to check them out. Once you have the description, simply copy it and paste it into YouTube Studio under the channel description section. This way, your channel description will be ready and you're one step closer to completing your channel setup. Next, we will create a YouTube channel logo and banner. No high-level skills are needed for this. Just use a simple prompt. Open ChatGPT and type, "Create a YouTube channel logo for my channel named your channel name." ChatGPT will generate a prompt for you. Copy that prompt and go to Ideogram AI. Sign up, log in, and find the Creations option. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Set the ratio to 1:1, perfect for a YouTube profile picture. Select a realistic model and click Generate. After a few moments, your logo will be ready. If you like it, download it. If not, regenerate until you find the perfect one. Then go to YouTube Studio, upload the logo, adjust it, and click Save. Your logo is now set. Next, our banner is left. Go to Ideogram AI again and use the same prompt, but this time set the ratio to 16:9. Click the Generate button and your banner will be ready. Download it, then go to YouTube Studio and upload it as your channel banner. If you want to make some changes, you can use a simple tool like Canva to adjust the size and make it fit perfectly on YouTube. Once you're happy with it, go to the customization section in YouTube Studio, upload your banner, adjust it, and click Save. Now your YouTube channel has a professional look, and we're ready for the next step. Here, you need to complete your basic settings. Select your country, add your phone number for verification, and ensure all required details are filled in. Now your YouTube channel is fully set up. The next step is to start creating videos and uploading content. Let's make high-quality videos that attract millions of views. Now that we have our channel set up, it's time to focus on finding the best topics and writing an engaging script. To do this, we'll use an amazing tool called vidIQ to find low-competition keywords that can help our videos rank higher. Next, we'll use ChatGPT to generate low-competition keywords. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 3 to 4 low-competition keywords in the Your Niche category." ChatGPT will provide you with keywords that have less competition but good search potential. First, open a new tab and search for vidIQ on Google. Sign up and log into vidIQ, and once you're inside, you'll see a dashboard with various options. Click on the keyword research section where you can search for low competition keywords to find the best topics for your videos, and paste them into vidIQ's search bar. Click enter and check the search volume and competition level. Your goal is to find keywords with high search volume and low competition, as these are the best topics to grow your channel. Once you have a great keyword, it's time to write your YouTube script. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Write a YouTube script on your keyword in word count words." ChatGPT will generate a step-by-step script for your video. Copy the script and paste it into Google Docs for editing. Read through it carefully, remove any unnecessary parts, and correct mistakes to make it sound more natural and engaging. Now that the script is ready, we'll convert it into a high-quality voiceover using 11 Labs. Search for 11 Labs on Google, sign up, and select a voice that fits your video style. Paste your script into the tool, click Generate, and listen to the voiceover. If you're happy with it, download the file and save it to your device. After downloading the voiceover from 11 Labs, we need to make it more engaging and professional. For this, we will use an amazing AI tool called Adobe Podcast to enhance the audio quality, remove background noise, and make it sound crisp and clear, just like a studio-recorded voiceover. First, go to Adobe Podcast, sign up, and log in. Once inside, you'll see an easy-to-use interface. Upload your voiceover, click on Enhance Speech, and let the AI do its magic. It will process the audio, making it sound polished and professional. After enhancement, download the improved voiceover and save it to your device. Now we have a studio-quality voiceover ready to take our video to the next level. Now that we have our script and voiceover ready, it's time for the next big step, screen recording. This step is super important because it helps bring your video to life. If you're using a PC or laptop, you have 2 easy ways to record your screen. The first method is by using a screen recording extension. Just install it and start recording. The second method is even simpler. If you're on Windows, just press Windows plus G to open the game bar and start recording instantly. If you're using a mobile phone, you can use the built-in screen recorder to capture your content easily. After recording, it's time to edit the video. For this, we'll use CapCut, one of the best free editing tools out there. Open CapCut and click on New Project. Then import your voiceover by clicking the Import button and dragging your voiceover onto the timeline. Now here's the trick to making your video sound smooth and professional. On the right side of the screen, you'll see an option to remove unwanted parts of your voiceover. Go through your recording step by step, cut out unnecessary pauses or mistakes, and keep the flow natural. I always make sure to select all the unwanted parts and remove them one by one. This makes the voiceover crisp and engaging, which keeps viewers hooked to the video. Once our voiceover is clean and polished, we're ready for the next step, adding visuals and effects. But before we get to that, let me quickly show you a pro editing trick that will make your video 10 times more engaging. Turning our voiceover into a compound clip. This step is important because it helps us keep everything organized while editing. To do this, simply right-click on your voiceover in CapCut. You'll see an option to Create Compound Clip. Click on it. Once done, your voiceover will be locked in place, making it easier to edit the rest of the video smoothly. Next, we'll add the screen recording we captured earlier. Whether you recorded it on your mobile phone or PC, simply import it into CapCut and place it on the timeline. Now carefully listen to your voiceover and sync the screen recording with it. The key here is to match the visuals perfectly with what's being said in the voiceover. Now here's where the real magic happens, making the video more engaging. To grab attention right from the start, we need a powerful intro. Think about the most exciting moment in the gameplay, something that immediately hooks viewers. Place that scene at the very beginning so they can't look away. If you need additional footage, you can use Creative Commons videos from YouTube. These are copyright-free, so you won't have any issues using them. Just find the right clip, download it, and add it to your project. It's a simple trick that many big creators use to make their videos more engaging. And now, with everything set up, it's time for the next step. Polishing the video with effects and transitions. Next, let's make the video more engaging. This is where transitions come in. CapCut has tons of transitions to choose from. Use them wisely to keep the flow smooth and exciting. After transitions, add some effects to enhance the visuals. You can also include stickers and auto captions to make your video more dynamic and fun to watch. Want to take it a step further? Try zoom in and zoom out effects to highlight key moments. Color grading can also make your video look more professional. And don't forget, if you're using downloaded videos, adding a slight effect or filter can help avoid copyright issues. Now that editing is done, it's time to export the video. Click on the export button in the top corner, choose your preferred settings, and hit export. Your video will start processing and be saved to your device. Now comes the most important step, creating an eye-catching thumbnail. A great thumbnail is the key to grabbing attention and getting more clicks. To make a high-quality thumbnail, you first need a good prompt. Open Google Docs and copy a thumbnail prompt. Then go to ChatGPT, paste your prompt, and press enter. ChatGPT will generate a unique and engaging prompt for your thumbnail. While there are many AI tools available, we will use Ideogram AI to create our thumbnail. Generating the thumbnail, copy the ChatGPT generated prompt and paste it into Ideogram AI. Set the image ratio to 16:9, which is the standard YouTube thumbnail size. Click the Generate button. Within seconds, your thumbnail will be ready. If you don't like the result, go back to ChatGPT and ask for a better prompt to get an improved version. Downloading and editing the thumbnail. Click on the generated thumbnail and you'll find the download button on the right side. Download the image and save it to your device. If you want to customize your thumbnail further, you can edit it using Canva or Photoshop. Add text, images, or effects to make it stand out. Once you're satisfied, your thumbnail is ready. Next step. Uploading and optimizing your video. Now that the thumbnail is done, it's time to upload and optimize your video on YouTube. Many people upload videos the wrong way, but I'll show you the right method to get the most views. Stay tuned. To get the best results on YouTube, you need to upload and optimize your video properly. Many people make mistakes in this step, but I'll guide you through the right way to do it. Writing an optimized title, description, and hashtags. Open Google Docs and copy the next prompt. Copy the text and paste it into ChatGPT to get a more optimized version. ChatGPT will provide a better title, engaging description, and effective hashtags to boost your video's reach. Go to YouTube Studio and upload your video. Copy the optimized title, description, and hashtags from ChatGPT and paste them into the relevant fields. Add your custom thumbnail to attract more viewers. Select the language of your video. Choose the visibility, public, unlisted, or private. Check the AI-generated content option if required. Click Next, Next, and Publish. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next amazing video.